How's everybody doing? Thanks again for watching. This is George at Wicked Warnings, here with a nice 2018 GMC Denali heavy duty. And what you can see activated there in the grill is some of our Razor LEDs that shut off for a moment there where I had to open the door. We also are featuring our Wicked Auto Flasher modules on the roof lights and the mirror lights. We chose to synchronize those two modules and alternate the pattern, as you can see. Made a very easy install. We grab the roof wire right in the passenger A-pillar. We grab the mirror wires down in the kick panels. Instructions will be provided if you buy those kits. Down in the fog lights, you can see our TIR3 in amber, synchronized and set on a quad flash fast pattern alternation. In the grill, we have the colored alternation on those razors in a slow to fast pattern. We've also incorporated a front flood switch into this build. Now, when front flood is activated, you don't lose all of your front warning. As you can see, the TIR3s down in the fog pockets are still active, as well as the mirrors and roof. So there's plenty of amber warning still happening on the front of this truck when the front flood switch is activated, as you can see. Here's a nice side shot of that front flood warning with the... You don't have to have the warning activated to do the front flood. If you were to do front flood alone, you can see you'll just get the 4 razors and the grill on flood mode. That's how we wired this particular build. And then once again, there we are back to the warning mode. I am going to enclose some photos in the end of this video of the grill mount, the firewall pass-through, as well as a couple other things that are useful about this install. So if you have this particular truck and you're trying to do the same install, stay tuned at the end of the video. Alright, so around the back, I apologize for the brightness. Actually, no, I don't. Who am I to apologize for something being too bright? What we've got is our 28-inch Thin-X set up in a quick alternating flash pattern, all amber. It is an amber white Thin-X, has the flood mode, and we did use that. We also have our ECO HAW Duo in the cargo, as well as the reverse. And when a little extra light is needed, the rear flood switch activates the white steady mode in those Thin-X. It also activates steady mode on both sets of HAW Duo. So when flood mode is activated in the rear, we do lose the warning, but we have all this flood for loading a trailer or backing up. There's another shot of that wild warning pattern. Let me drop you down a little bit. Get a little better view of the Thin-X underneath the tailgate there. I like to put 2 of them in a row there, especially on the GM products. The 228s just fit nicely, and they really do fill that tailgate up. As you can see, stepping back a little ways, the tailgate lighting, the Thin-X lighting, and the cargo lights are really bright, really prominent. The reverse hideaways are set slightly off on an angle, so they're really kind of firing off to the left and right just a little bit for when the vehicle's on the shoulder. But the straight backwards facing lights, the 2 up in the third brake light cargo and the 2 strips underneath the tailgate, are working extremely good facing straight backwards. Here's another side shot. Don't forget to check out the description of this video. Make sure you look for all the links to each one of these products. And we also threw a shopping cart together with all the products that we used contained in one shopping cart. So if you just want to get all these products with one click, we've got that shopping cart link for you as well. And we also include each product individually linked in the description of the video, usually marked read more down in the bottom. All right, taking you here into the cab of the truck. I got it on dark mode right now just so you can see our switches. Front lights, front flood, rear flood, power, and 2 spare for later. And as I back up a little bit, I'll turn on the light and you can see how we ran that wiring. And we did this controller right here. We mounted it right there. We ran the wiring through a nice braided loom right down through there. And basically all of our important connections are actually kind of right in this side panel here. So it ended up working out really nicely. As you can see from the cockpit area here, very easy to see, nice and convenient. So again, I'm gonna put some still pictures right about now, so make sure you check those out and hit the links in the video description for all these products and more. Thanks again for watching Wicked Warnings, your #1 source for construction and automotive safety and strobe lighting equipment. For for all things cars, trucks, vans, buses, SUVs, everything in between. Make sure to check out our website, wickedwarnings.com. Hit that subscribe button, hit that little bell so you get alerted, and don't forget, most importantly, share this video with your favorite friends and family. Let others know what you find interesting. Sharing the video helps get the name out. So, on to the pictures. We'll see you on the next one.